This is Papia Datta, working as a lecturer in Devi Mahalakshmi Polytechnic College. Today I am going to start with the next topic, that is demodulation of AM signal. So first we'll discuss about what is meant by demodulation. So the process of extracting an original message signal from the modulated wave is known as detection or demodulation. The circuit which demodulates the modulated wave is known as the demodulator. Demodulation is a key process in the reception of any amplitude modulated signals, whether used for broadcast or two-way radio communication systems. As the name indicates, the demodulation process is the opposite of modulation, where a signal such as an audio signal is applied to a carrier. As the most common use for amplitude modulation is for audio applications, the most common output is the audio. This may be broadcast entertainment for broadcast reception and for two-way radio communications. It is often used for land communications, for aeronautical associated applications, often within walkie-talkies. Next we'll discuss about the diode detector. So this is the one type of demodulation of AM signal technique. So diode detector is used to detect the high level AM wave. Following is the block diagram of diode detector. It consists of diode and low pass filter. This diode detector consists of a diode and low pass filter. Here the diode is the main detecting element. Hence the diode detector is also called as the envelope detector. The low pass filter contains a parallel combination of the resistor and the capacitor. The AM wave that is given by S of t is applied as an input to this detector or diode. We know that standard form of AM wave is S of t is equal to AC 1 plus Ka m of t cos 2 pi Fc of t. In the positive half cycle of AM wave, the diode conducts and the capacitor charges to the peak value of the AM wave. When the value of AM wave is less than this value, the diode will be reverse biased. Thus, the capacitor will discharge through resistor R till the next positive half cycle of AM wave. When the value of AM wave is greater than the capacitor voltage, the diode conducts and the process will be repeated. We should select the component values in such a way that the capacitor charges very quickly and discharges very slowly. As a result, we will get the capacitor voltage waveform such as that of the envelope of AM wave, which is almost similar to the modulating signal. Now, let's just take a minute and try to answer these questions. A dash is an electronic circuit that is used to recover the information content from the modulated carrier wave. The diode detector in an AM radio receiver is found where, and demodulation is done in which stage? I hope you got the answer. So a demodulator is an electronic circuit that is used to recover the information content from the modulated carrier wave. The diode detected in an AM radio receiver is found after several stages of amplification, and demodulation is done in your transmitting antenna. So this is the answers B, C, D. Now let's just move forward and talk about the practical diode detector. So this is a practical diagram of diode detector. The circuits operate in the following manner. The diode has been reversed so that now the negative envelope is demodulated. This has no effect on detection, but it does ensure that a negative AGC voltage will be available as will be shown. The resistor R of the basic circuit has been split into two parts, that is R1 and R2, to ensure that there is a series DC part to ground for the diode. But at the same time, a low pass filter has been added in the form of R1 minus RC1. This has the function of removing any RF ripple that might still be present. Capacitor C2 is a coupling capacitor here, whose main function is to prevent the diode DC output from reaching the volume control R4. Next, although it is not necessary to have the volume control immediately after the detector, that is a convenient place for it. The combination R3C3 is a low pass filter designed to remove AF components, providing a DC voltage whose amplitude is proportional to the carrier strength and which may be used for automatic gain control. It can be seen from figure that the DC diode load is equal to R1 plus R2, whereas the audio load impedance Zm is equal to R1 in series with the parallel combination of R2, R3 and R4. Assuming that the capacitors have reactances which may be ignored. This will be true at medium frequencies, but at high and lower audio frequency, Zm may have a reactive component causing a phase shift and distortion as well as an uneven frequency response. Now let's just take a minute and try to answer these questions. Diode detector is A/N. Which type of detector? The combination of R3C3 is a dash filter, and in square law modulator diode is operating in which mode? I hope you got the answers. So diode detector is an asynchronous detector. The combination of R3C3 is a low pass filter, and in square law modulator diode is operated in nonlinear mode. I hope you have understood the concept of demodulation of AM signal. Thank you.